Hello children, let's start with chapter number 10, study of compounds. C part is nitric acid. Its formula is HNO3, nitric acid. Molecular formula is given first of all, then molecular mass you have to find and its structure. Then introduction. In free state it is found in rainwater and in combined state found in metallic nitrides. For example, child saltpeter, niter or calcium nitrate. These formulas you have to learn. And in formation, first of all, during lightning when nitrogen combines with atmospheric oxygen about 3000 degrees Celsius temperature, then it changes into nitrogen oxide. Further, nitrogen oxide oxidized to nitrogen dioxide, and then finally nitrogen dioxide dissolves in atmospheric moisture or rainwater in the presence of oxygen, water and oxygen, and changes into nitric acid in free state, which is washed down by the rain and combines with the salt present on the surface of earth, and nitric acid is formed. Then its laboratory preparation. Here potassium nitrate and sodium nitrate combines with concentrated sulfuric acid to form nitric acid. Reactions are given. First of all, potassium nitrate plus sulfuric acid, temperature is given below 200 degrees Celsius. Then potassium bisulfate or potassium hydrogen sulfate will form with nitric acid. Same in the reaction of sodium nitrate combines with sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid below temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Then it will change into sodium bisulfate and nitric acid. Now see this diagram. 10.1 laboratory preparation of nitric acid is given. First of all, we will take potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate in this retort glass. Then temperature will be 180 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, and concentrated sulfuric acid is also taken in this beaker. On heating, brown gas fumes will be formed, means nitrogen dioxide, which will enter into this another beaker with the help of this delivery tube. Then pure nitric acid will be formed. It will be colorless. As soon as the cold running water will be applied on this acid, it will change into slightly yellow color. Due to the presence of these brown fumes, the acid will change its color into yellow, slightly yellow. Now collection is given. Vapors of nitric acid are condensed to a light yellow liquid by chilling the receiver with running cold water. And they have given the note: pure acid is colorless, but acid obtained in the laboratory is slightly yellow. Yellow color is due to dissolution of reddish brown colored nitrogen dioxide gas or brown gas. This gas is produced due to the thermal decomposition of a portion of nitric acid. Nitric acid also decomposes into water, brown gas and oxygen. Next, this yellow color can be removed. First, if dry air or carbon dioxide is bubbled through yellow acid, the latter turn colorless because it drives out nitrogen dioxide, from warm acid, which is further oxidized to nitric acid. And second one is, by addition of excess of water, nitrogen dioxide gas dissolves in water, and thus yellow color of acid will be removed. Reaction is the reverse of decomposition of nitric acid. And in precautions, we have used here only glass apparatus because nitric acid vapors can attack on rubber or cork. That's why only glass we have used. And we didn't use here concentrated hydrochloric acid because HCl is volatile and nitric acid vapor can carry hydrogen chloride vapors also. Temperatures has been taken only below 200 degrees Celsius. If it is more than 200 degrees Celsius, then sodium nitrate and sodium bisulfate above 200 degrees Celsius, they will form sodium sulfate and nitric acid. And sodium nitrate plus sulfuric acid above 200 degrees Celsius, they will form sodium sulfate and nitric acid. And this sodium sulfate will form its own hard crust which can stick to the walls of the retort, and it will be difficult to remove. And higher temperature can also damage the glass apparatus, while on other side wastage of fuel will be there and nitric acid can also decompose. So temperature is taken always less than 200 degrees Celsius.